We're on the bicycle by setting up. We're at 16 PSI and we're going to decrease the pressure some and increase the pressure. Then we want to add some air in by hitting the on. And when we get our air in the tire, we simply just unscrew. Convtoya tire inflator compressor, 29 through 36 PSI, inflates your tire in a minute's time. It's not just for a car, it's for a bicycle, soccer ball, you name it, anything that you need to pump up. Rather pumping up manually, you do it by a machine with the 7500 milliamp battery, a nice window, and a mouse control board. On top is USB-A, USB-C, and your inflator valve hookup. You have a light indicator, and you have air vents, so when the machine starts to pump, it's going to heat up and cool off real quick. This kit includes an instruction guide, a quick guide, a carrying case that you put everything in, nice velvet bag, your valve cable, a stem for a bicycle and a soccer, volleyball, basketball pump, and your USB-A to C cable. The cable's going to get hot. There's a caution. You simply place it into the unit and you screw on. We're going to charge the unit via USB-C by plugging in. The window lights up with all displays and dashes for charging, 4 dashes, 75% to 100% waiting for a charge. Demonstrating how this unit works inside while we're going to pump will show you is actually the unit working. Hold the on button. All the display lights up. It's defaulted on a bicycle at PSI at 000 and at 45. In order to change the bicycle, you're going to hit the M button. It goes to a basketball, nothing, a car, a motorcycle. So let's go to the car. The PSI changes to the BAR. This is 2.50. I use PSI by hitting the U. Goes to the KPA, PSI, and back to the BAR. So we're at 36 PSI. We can increase it and we could decrease it. If we hit the U button, there would be a light on top as you long press. Press again, it gives an SOS, and again it shuts off. If you press the start button, the on and off button, it pumps. The air blows out over here. So you want to turn on, set up, hit the on and off to start, to shut off, long press. We take the pump, we screw on. It says 28 PSI. We hit the on button. And after a minute or so, the tire's pumped up at 36 PSI. This is hot. The pump is warm. You are ready to shut the pump off. Unscrew. A compressor to check your tires, inflate, as an emergency. Also a emergency for power bank to run and charge your phone or any product. USB-A port to a iPhone. Simply charge on the go as an emergency. You have a light on front. You just hit the U button. Long press for a light. The tire inflator compressor can be used for just about anything. It is an excellent product to have in the car in case of those emergencies when you need to have air on the go. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Have fun with your air compressor. It is a nice gift for all people.